you guys? I'm back, and I don't know what happened to my name. It just changed to Eden 14. I didn't do anything to it. That I didn't try changing it. But yeah, that's what happened so far. And I know I haven't been making some videos lately, but I'll be making some. I'll be making more in the summer. So today I'm going to be showing you my fidget spinner collection, and I'm going to be opening this rainbow fidget spinner. Okay, so first let me show you what I have so far. So I have this fidget spinner. Yeah, it looks cool on camera. It's very loud though. So you can do this, but my fingers, I can't really do it because my hands aren't that big. I have this black fidget spinner. This one's loud too, but it spins for like a minute. I have this red and blue fidget spinner. This one's loud too, obviously. Some of them aren't that loud. Then I have this blue fidget spinner. It has these little balls inside. Yeah, this is very light though because it's mostly plastic. It's loud, and you can see the balls spinning right there. I'll show you what the bearing looks like if I can at least try and take this out. Okay, I'll show you the bearing. This is how the bearing looks like in this fidget spinner. Okay, so now let's move on and let's open up this very cool metal fidget spinner. Okay, and subscribe to Alex Aldama Vlogs. She is my cousin, and she has 10 subscribers so far, so it would be great if you guys can subscribe to her. Okay, so now so this is how it looks like so far. So this is how it looks like. It's nice and colorful. It's kind of quiet. You can buy these on Amazon. You can also buy them at the mall. Those are like 20 bucks, I think. Yeah, I got this one at the mall, so it's alright, but it does spin for a while. Okay, so I'll tell you where you can buy them. You can buy them on Amazon, Albertsons, 7-Eleven, what else? The mall. And if you guys don't have like a mall or something, then you can just go buy them at 7-Eleven or Amazon. But if you buy them on the Amazon, then it takes like a month to get there. So I'll be making another video on fidget spinners because my dad bought me some, and I'm gonna say thank you to him because he is the best dad ever, because he bought me some fidget spinners for making videos. But yeah, I think this might be a yo-yo bearing, I don't know. But I don't feel like unscrewing it because I don't want to break it or anything. So I'm going to be showing you some tricks with the fidget spinners. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's kind of dark, so that's good. I'm gonna go some light where there's like a lot of light there. Okay, so since this is probably gonna make a loud noise if I drop it, I'm gonna go get something soft so when it drops it doesn't make that loud of a noise. And yeah, be right back. Okay, I'm back and my sister's up there. She wants to say hi. She's coming down. We just woke up though. It's like 10 in the morning or something. But I'm gonna show you some tricks now. So yeah. Yeah, that one's kind of hard, I guess. Some people can, like, this is the easiest trick to do. One finger, and then if you can, you can hop it. Yeah, I could do the hop, but not really. Only sometimes. Yeah. Now I'm gonna be showing you this. Hopefully I can do it. I caught it, but it wasn't still spinning. There we go. Now I'm gonna be doing this. You just hop it from your middle finger to the other middle finger. If you didn't see that. Now there is I don't know if you guys like seen this trick before, but you put it on one finger, or this one, you put it on your knuckle, and then you let it spin for a while. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe and like, and I'm sorry for not making that much videos lately, so I promise I'll be making some more. And bye.